Hi guys, today we're gonna be doing Broken Bones IV. Um, and we're only gonna be doing like with firework ability and without firework ability, and when I control it and when I don't control my body. So okay, so let's just get started. So this is without firework. This is how many bones I break without firework. Let me just get to the bottom. I have like infinite bones, don't I? So, So this is how many bones I break without firework. And I also got 577,000 cash. Well, I mean without, I'm gonna get this. So we're gonna do it. Now it's gonna be firework ability. I'm gonna show you how we're going to break with the firework ability. Let's get it to the bottom. Maybe I can break the same amount. Maybe I can break a different amount. Let's see. Oh. Okay. And now. Ooh, that's definitely more than I expected. And I got more cash. Okay, now we're gonna do with control, with me controlling my body, and then without. So maybe it could be a different amount than without the ability. We'll see. Okay. Whoa! Okay. Oh, and I also have dark. It's fine if I use the abilities. If I already passed like without the thing and the ability. So yeah. Whoa, and I'm already past my level. And I'm gonna show you how much I break without. If I don't get all the way to the bottom, then I'm gonna, let me show you how much times I break without controlling it. Just watch. Like I break barely any. Well, I break a lot, but it's like hard. See, so like I'm not even there yet. So I'm gonna have to like, if I don't make it to the bottom, then I'm gonna have to restart that thing. So I'm gonna just jump. Come on, at least make it to the on the ice. Oh my god. Like not on the ice over there, but near the pond, blah blah blah. Okay. Come on, make it, you body. I'll go use one of my abilities that might come with the firework. Okay, I at least made it past that. It's fine if I control it a little bit. Ooh, come on, make it past. No. Okay, good, we're good. We're good. Okay. No. Come on. No, firework. No. Oh my god. What is going on? Okay, now let's try, because I jumped farther this time. give you $1,000 body if you keep this hard work up. No! I think my ability, I just pressed my ability, so it might not be there. Okay, it's there. We're gonna try to jump further. Okay, there we go. And if I just stop somewhere on an accident, then I'm just gonna use firework. Oh, I might sneak it. Okay. Really sorry. That doesn't count as controlling, well, the game controlled that, and I do not know how I got drain germs when I only touched the floor. That's amazing, though. Oh, I'm level 686, and if I make it 4 more levels, by the way, I will have revert. Let me show you, because it requires level 90. See? Okay. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Good.